Which component is used to control the electrical current that actuates solenoid valves in an electro-pneumatics control system? Good job! Your answer relay works well here. What does this device do? Great thinking. Pushes a rod that considers actuating is the right choice. Which device in pneumatics is used for converting pressure energy of compressed air into mechanical energy? Less. On track. Pneumatic actuators is the correct answer. What is a software tool used for the simulation, creation, and study of fluid dynamics and pneumatics? Excellent choice. FluidSim software is the right answer. What is the primary function of a push-pull switch in an electro-pneumatics control system? Well done. Initiate power to a machine, device, or appliance is the right choice. Dash systems are an integration of electrical and mechanical components with pneumatics. Bravo! Electro-pneumatic is the answer. What is the disadvantage of using compressed air as a working medium in pneumatics? Nice selection. It requires good conditioning is the correct and valid answer. What makes pneumatics a preferred technology in hazardous environments? Perfect. It can operate without electricity is the correct choice. What is the main advantage of integrating electronics with pneumatics? Nice work. You chose enhanced automation capabilities, and it is correct. Using an air compressor to pump up your bike tires is an example of. You got it. Your choice pneumatics is right. What does the term pneuma mean in the context of pneumatics? Sharp thinking. Breath is the right choice. This term refers to the use of pressurized air to do work. Smart pick. Pneumatics is the correct choice. Control devices used in pneumatics are often called dash. Correct. Valves is the right answer. Which actuation is under the applications of pneumatics? Well reasoned. Push is the correct choice. The relationship between pressure and volume is known as. Solid response. Boyle's law is a valid choice. Which of the following are the advantages of pneumatics? You chose all the above, and it is correct. What is the operating voltage of electro-pneumatics? Right choice. 1V22dV is the best answer. Which system is used to move load with less efforts? Exactly. Pneumatics makes sense, and it is right choice. How do you test for leaks in a pneumatic circuit? Nicely done. Soapy water is a solid answer. Pneumatics is concerned with a system that uses. Great job. Compressed air is the accurate answer. The study of fluid motion and its applications. Smart move. Hydraulics is an accurate answer. One if the disadvantages of pneumatics is dash. Excellent. Compressibility is a brilliant choice. Which gas is commonly used in pneumatics? Correct response. Air is the most accurate answer. What are the two branches of fluid power? Right again. Pneumatics and hydraulics is a valid answer. What is a pneumatics system compressing? Well picked. Air or gas is the correct answer. Operating pressure of pneumatics. Valid point. 6 bar is true. The air pressure increases when. Clear logic. Your choice, the number of air molecules increases, is sound and 100% true. Where would you find pneumatics? You're right. All of the above is the correct answer. Fluid power deals with dash. Good thinking. Both is the right answer. What is fluid power? Strong choice. Hydraulics and pneumatics is the right answer. How you will get all these quiz questions in PDF books format? Or correct response. Contact Narayan Chengder is the most accurate answer.